Hi, it's Kate Savill here, and I'm in Bristol, and I'd like to talk to you about when I entered into the Young Designer of the Year competition. I'd heard about it, and I think I'd seen it on the BBC, and I just thought sounded like a great opportunity to actually showcase your design skills. And at the time I was working for Adam Frost in his studio, and I kind of begged him if it was okay to enter the competition in 2015, and that's really how I got into it. But that was kind of following working for him at Chelsea the year before, and it really kind of sparked that enthusiasm in me. Oh, it meant a lot because it was when I started my own business, I suppose. It kind of gave me the confidence to try out and go out on my own and actually do it for real. Obviously, lots of great training from Adam really helped that passion and got me started, really. I think it's been fundamental. It certainly gave me that first built garden, which I think would have taken a lot longer if you'd gone it. You'd planted a client's garden, and you often have to wait a couple of years before your designs come to fruition. So to do a show garden and showcase your design skills in that kind of short-term basis of a show garden setting, it was fantastic. And also working with the RHS, there was a lot of support there, and working with the other competitors like Tamara was just brilliant to meet how people my age were doing what we're doing, and it was great to hear how they got into garden design as well. I feel like I've certainly done an awful lot since the competition. That it's kind of snowballed since taking part, and I've actually gone on to build two Chelsea show gardens along with Tamara Bridge, and also a little border at Gardeners World Live, where I got Best in Show and a gold medal. So it's been brilliant, really. And then obviously going on to build my own sort of real gardens, clients' gardens, and it really, doing the show, the Young Designer of the Year competition, really gave me that confidence to go out and do this as a career. I don't think I'd be able to do anything else now. I feel like this was the right choice. I studied fine art at uni, felt quite lost after my degree, and then sort of stumbled into horticulture. And it really mixed all of my kind of skill set together with creativity, practical skills, and also just being outside is a really great thing. I feel too much time in an office can kind of cloud your head. So being out in gardens all the time is a fantastic thing. I think just do it, just go for it. You might not be selected the first year. I know I entered it the year before I got selected, so don't give up. The design will speak for itself, and it's such a fantastic experience. And the people that you meet and the kind of the camaraderie of being at the show is so wonderful for your first experience of creating a show garden. Just do it.